How to reduce PowerPoint file size without quality loss on WeCompress.com. So this is the site WeCompress.com. So the first step, we click on the tab icon, choose or drop file to select our PowerPoint document. So here we have it. Immediately you select, it automatically compress the document. So just wait a little bit. So press download. So here it is. Quality compressed PowerPoint file. Thank you.